FuboTV versus YouTube TV versus Hulu Live. Which is best in 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back to GigaBits. Today we're comparing three of the biggest live TV streaming services in 2025. FuboTV, YouTube TV, and Hulu Live, to find out which one is actually worth your money. Let's start with YouTube TV. It's known for its reliability, smooth interface, and unlimited DVR storage. You get over 100 channels, including local networks and sports, for about $72 a month. It's perfect if you want a cable-like experience that just works. Now, FuboTV focuses heavily on sports fans, offering access to leagues like the NFL, NBA, and UEFA. It's slightly more expensive, starting around $80 a month, but it includes many international channels and 4K streaming options. Finally, Hulu Plus Live TV offers fewer channels overall, but bundles in Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, which makes it great for families. It's around $77 a month, depending on your plan. So which is best? For sports, go with FuboTV. For overall reliability and DVR, YouTube TV wins. And for entertainment bundles, Hulu Live gives you the best combo.